To this day, COVID has killed more here than almost anywhere else in Canada, including Paul Parks.
I'm so frustrated with our provincial government.
His daughter Kathy believes it got so bad because the province failed.
They won't even admit that they've done anything wrong.
Most of the homes in Ontario have had an outbreak, many deadly. And the province's Long-Term Care Commission has spent months looking at what happened, hearing this week from Ontario's Chief Medical Officer, Dr. David Williams, who spoke repeatedly about staffing problems. He acknowledged a lack of infection prevention and control expertise, as care home workers with key skills found better paying jobs were in the hospital. When fears rose workers were inadvertently bringing the virus into homes from other jobs, Williams was reluctant to restrict them to just one workplace because, he said, care home positions didn't pay a large amount. So they were, I don't know, working in a kitchen making pizzas or something like that. Facing months of pressure to address the staffing crisis, Ontario's Premier yesterday announced free tuition for 6,000 people to become frontline personal support workers. But full-time work is still hard to come by even now, and Doug Ford didn't create any jobs for those grads to go into, as both BC and Quebec did.
And how did Quebec's homes perform in the second wave? Remarkably better than Ontario's, because in Ontario, we didn't do what the other provinces did.
What is this government trying to hide?
Meanwhile, Ontario's opposition is accusing the government of a cover-up. They point to thousands of largely redacted documents dumped by the government on the commission in the final stage of its hearings, and add the panel asked for more time to find answers, but that request was rejected by government. David Common, CBC News, Toronto.